Scorpio, my water babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. If this page has been a blessing to you, check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is success. Scorpio, you ready to be successful? It's time to show up, show out. What is your gift? Use it, show it. Because we not only will pay you for it, not only will we marvel at the finished product, it's always going to build you up, and it's not going to feel like work. It's going to feel like service. You want to find your purpose? Fall in love with your service. Fall in love with your gifts. I grow and thrive in the universe. I discover the purity of my heart and the higher wisdom that guides me towards my victory. I direct my thoughts towards clarity and nurture wisdom, love, and goodness. That's all within me, and I'm free now, and I succeed at my life. Do not let any resentment, don't let any guilt, don't let any doubt enter your spirit right now, your energy. Positivity, prosperity, longevity, breakthrough, because this is your time to shine. Love one another, be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.